Hello friends, welcome back. This is Veer from Saraswati, Narol, Ahmedabad. Friends, as we all know that our syllabus is cut down by 30%. It's a very good news for all of the students. Today, according to the syllabus, we are starting the next chapter, chapter number 14, exercise 14.1, which you have given the missing data. See what is given in this question. You have given daily pocket expenses 11 to 13, 13, 15. A single class is given to you, and you also have given the frequency 7, 6, 9, 13, F, 5 and 4. The total of that frequency becomes sigma Fi is equal to 44 plus F. Friends, when you have given such kind of question where there is a missing data kind of question, you definitely have given the mean. You can see from the question, the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of a children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. So you have already given mean. Means every time you have given everything, but you have to find out mean. But this time when you have already data missing given to you in such circumstances, they will give you the data of mean. So what you can do, you have three methods to calculate mean. First one, the direct method. Second one, that is the method when you have deviation method, it can be said. And the third one, assumed mean method. So we all know that when direct method is applicable, so direct method is applicable when your observations are quite small. At that time you can apply that method. Later on we have seen assumed method, where you have seen though you have given a big class, but the difference of all the class, they are not certain, they are not the fixed. At that time we are using assume method. The third method, that is deviation method. In deviation method, what you have given? You have given all the equal classes, equal distance between all the expenses. So here we apply the third method. The name of the method is deviation method. For finding out the deviation method, we must have a knowledge how to calculate UI. But before calculating UI, we must need to find out the mid value. मिड वैल्यू को हम इंग्लिश में xi के रूप में सिंबॉलिक वैल्यू में शो ऑफ करते हैं. हाउ यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट मिड वैल्यू? मिड वैल्यू इज टू बी कैलकुलेटेड बाय लोअर बाउंड्री पॉइंट्स प्लस अपर बाउंड्री पॉइंट्स डिवाइड बाय 2. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? लोअर बाउंड्री पॉइंट्स प्लस अपर बाउंड्री पॉइंट्स divide by 2. You can see over here 11 plus 13, that is 24. 24 is to be divided by 2, it will be 12. Again 15 plus 13, 28. 28 divided by 2, so it will be 14. So you can see over here there is a difference between all the class, that is only 2. 11 to 13 means what? 11 and 12 is to be calculated. Why not 13? Because 13 is calculated in the below line. 13 to 15 means what? Here we have to calculate up to only 14. 14 will carry to the next class. So here we can see there is a class difference between 2 in each case. So what is to be done? Without calculating each and every step, we will directly add 2 in every case. 12, then 14, then 16, then 18, then 20, then 22, then lastly 24. Now after calculating mid value, what is to be done? Now it's time to calculate UI. So xi minus a upon c. Simply what I have told you in previous lectures, if you have given odd numbers, then put 3 upper side, 3 lower side, and where it is 18, put a over there. You can calculate this one way also, but a simple way I just like to tell you that where there is a missing data, suppose f is over here, that is missing, so opposite value of f1, that should be assumed as a. What I tell you, simply now the question arises when we should assume a and which value we should assume as a. So I have defined you in the very first lecture. You can assume even 12 as a, 14, 16, 18, any one of the given value you can assume that. But by if you want to make the sum is very much easy. For that, what you have to do, we have a simple funda that we can use, that is assume a or assume value which is in front of the missing data, so that it will become 0. राइट। एंड वी हैव डिस्कस अर्लियर ऑन कि आप जब a इज इक्वल टू 0 ले लेते हो तो ऊपर का डेटा सारा क्या आ जाएगा -1 2 3 एंड दिस टाइम इट विल गो अप टू 4, right? So 1 and 2. If someone says sir we will apply the same method as we have discussed earlier on, पहले कौन सी मेथड थी हमारे पास कि जिसको हम a मानते हैं उसके सामने 0 मान लेते हैं। सपोज हमने मिडिल वैल्यू 18 को a मान लिया और उसमें 0 रखा, ऊपर -1 2 3 नीचे +1 2 3 रखोगे, द आंसर विल कम द सेम एज वी हैव as we will got over here. See, now after doing this one, just have to calculate fi ui. Get the multiplication. 7 4s are 28, 6 3s are 18, 9 2s are 18, 31s are 13, and f is to be multiplied by 0, so it will result into 0. So 5 1s are 5 and 4 2s are 8. So you can see you have plus 13 while you have total 20 30 40 50 58 61 69 and 77. So from 77 if you deduct 13 you will get sigma fi ui is equal to -50 64. Get the total once again, it may be wrong. So 20 30 40 50 and 50 plus 24, so 74 plus 3 77. Okay, done. 77 में से 13 minus किया तो -64. Now what is the formula of deviation method? So x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi into h. Here your a x bar that is given to you, that is 18, where a is equal to, what is a? We have assumed a as 20, so put over here 20 plus fi ui कितना है -64 है और sigma fi कितना है 44 plus f जो आपको मिसिंग डेटा के साथ दिया है वही लेंगे हम लोग। Here it is 44 plus f. Now what is about h? H means the common difference between two class, so two boundary points 11 and 13, so you can see there is a difference, that is 2. So transfer this value on the other side. So 18 minus 20 is equal to 64 का 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो -128 डिवाइड बाय 44 प्लस f. 18 minus 20 करेंगे so difference will be -2 is equal to -128 divided by 44 plus f. Now what is to be done? Again the cross multiplication is to be done. -2 का मल्टीप्लाई आप करोगे 44 plus f के साथ, so that you will get, see, 44 into 2, so it will -88. -2 is to multiply by f, so it will be -2f. On the other side of the equal, it is -128. Now if I transfer that value on the other side, so -2f is equal to -128 and plus 88, because 88 यहाँ माइनस में था, ऑन द अदर हैंड ट्रांसफर हुआ तो प्लस 88 हो गया। अब -2f इज इक्वल टू 128 में से 88 माइनस करेंगे, इट विल बी व्हाट -40. So minus minus got cancelled. If I want to find value of f, 40 divided by 2, so it will be 20. So your missing data f, that is 20. Okay friend, this is all about this method. So those students who are quite confused regarding UI, they are to be suggested to do the calculation as we have done in the previous lectures. They will surely get the same answer as we have got right now. Even I have told you earlier on that you can assume any of the one from the value values. It is not very fixed data or very fixed that you will have to assume the middle value always. You can assume even the very first value, second value, third value, fourth, even any of the value you can assume. You will get the all time same answer that we will get by doing this method. So I hope आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया होगा। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन बाय बाय, सी यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।